Just that energy is there within us. The permanent address of that great enthusiasm is our soul, our inner world. Notice the valuable energy which is flowing as a cell, which is flowing in the stream of blood. Come on. Each blood cell is carrying that valuable, vulnerable energy. Never neglect it. Energy is not a thing which is to be given from the outer surface, from the outer physical world. It is there within yourself, in your soul, in your thoughts. It is there in each nerve, in each cell, and in each point. Come on, notice that. Take a pledge today that energy will be identified and recognized by me. I will hold and uphold the true enthusiasm to make that energy awake. My life is a chance to prove and to improve every moment. The time is a most valuable thing. I must not waste the time. Energy. The voice of your soul is singing a song for that energy. You welcome it today, right from this moment to the entire life tenure and to the last moment of your last breath, till to the last burn, when this body turns to ash. We must not miss this energy. Energy is not the strength of that physical body. Energy is not that physical form. It is eternal. It is inward. It is to be identified, and it is to be observed, and it is to be improved, and it is to be implemented. Just you ever catch that flow of energy? My dear darlings, your usage of time, how that use the time, how that you purposefully, meaningfully use the every moment of your life will create great things in your life. Never waste a single moment of your life with a note. Please identify it. Please notice that time is not, you are not killing the time. Time is killing you. We celebrate every birthday, but we are forgetting that we are nearing to the death day. Never waste the time. Ever use it with full potency of energy, with a smile on your face, with joy, with light in your eyes, with great deeds, great words listening, with great inspiration. One inspiration is needed. That inspiration is, it's not available outside. That inspiration is available inside. Only have that inspiration right from this moment. The first two letters of that inspiration is I-N. It is within, W with I-N in, that is win. Notice that. Realize that. Enjoy that. Have enthused towards that. Have full face of energy in your all activities of looking, listening, speaking, touching, behaving, thinking, remembering, studying, loving, living. Ing may be, ing, the continuous form of verb may be differ from time to time, from point to point, but the energy within ourselves, within each verb, within each work is the same as the ing is continuing. That is I for inspiration, N for never, G for give up. With that very note, continue your life with utmost energetic and prove your identity on this planet Earth. Just open your eyes. Just clap with a sound that really shows your assurance for that very identification of your valuable life and valuable commitment. Thank you.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.